Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. And guys, today I'm gonna do a BNB price analysis, and BNB has entered into a very critical zone now. It can either break out and go for 428 or might be 480 is coming soon very much. So on other side it can go down to 333. So we're gonna look for the both the scenarios. What could be the scenario? Just bear with me guys, and just let me, yeah, it's recording. This is a requested video by Rilwan Adibio, I think so, might be. So he was telling us to make, he was requesting for a BNB analysis video, so I'm making a video on it on his request. So let's go straight onto the video. So first I'm going to turn off the indicator EMAs. So right now guys, the price, you see the BNB, you see the BTC just broke out the 40,000 mark. So does the altcoins are pumping as well. And if we take a look at the price analysis of the BNB right now, the BNB is fluctuating between 367 to 379. Okay guys, let me show you. These dotted lines are the areas, okay? These are the support areas, resistance areas, okay? And these yellow lines are the Fibonacci levels, fib levels, okay? These fib levels are confluencing, you see the confluencing, they're converging with the support and resistance. These lines I've drawn myself, and the Fibonacci levels are in accordance corresponding these levels. You see here this Fibonacci level also in accordance with this confluencing, so it confirms that these are the good areas, good support and resistance areas, okay? And if we go back there, we can see here this is the area where the price was rejected. And if we move on, you see here price stayed for a few weeks, few days, and then it went off. And if we take a look at here, we have a consolidation at this area is phase. So first let me tell you something guys, let me show you, we are near the squeezing zone. Here we have 379 as our resistance, 333 as our support guys. You see this one, this is the demand zone. Now this green bar is the demand zone guys, and 379 is our you see the resistance areas. So what I'm looking at right now guys, this is a daily candle, and if we take a look at this pattern, you see here the price came down, up, you see this was a swing high, the next was a lower high, the next one swing high again, then the next was lower high. You see this one, if we match with this one, you see what could be the next one. Of course we might be looking for this area around this one, okay? So this area needs to be broken, but here we are near the resistance area. You see here, you see this one, we approached the resistance, got rejected. This one we approached the resistance, got rejected. This candle here, at this green candle, it broke out with a good volume. If you can look down there here, okay, it broke out with good volume and we went up and tested this resistance. But right now this candle, if we look at this volume, is developing right now, so we need this candle to close above this area of resistance, then we might be going for the 428. Just try to understand. If we look at the downside, you see here we have a lower swing low, then a higher low, another higher low, another higher low. So you see the price is moving the upward direction from the downside, okay? So this is a good bearish good bullish pattern where the price makes the high lows. These are the high lows, you see, high lows, high low, high low, okay? But the price on the upside making swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, and now it is trying to break the previous swing high. So right now guys, if we take a look at here, this candle which is being in the development is very critical in the sense because we have the previous swing high around here, and this area has been tested twice, okay? It has been tested twice as a resistance, and we need to break this. So we might be looking for this volume to grow up. This volume needs to be in a large amount so that we can break above. Once we break above this area, we might be surely going to test 428. So guys, be ready for 428 move if and only if 379 figure, 379 to 380. Okay, this would be the area. This candle needs to be closed above this area, guys, above this area, then we would be going to 428. Otherwise, what's gonna happen is price is gonna go down to this area. It's gonna retrace back from this previous swing low. This is the swing low candle here, and if we take a look at the price, we might be going down to 344 around here. Okay, let me mark the price around this area. Okay, 348, 345. This would be the area of you can see here the area of support level. So you guys can place your order around 348 to 333. Okay, this one 333 here. Okay, you can place your orders accordingly here around this area. Okay, but you have to be very careful about the if it goes above, then surely we're going to move on to 428. Otherwise, we are going down for a test on 348 to 333. You can place your buy orders around this level, and also we have here as the Fibonacci level. So we are in between two important Fibonacci levels. If you go back, you can see here 38.20 and 23.60. so we are in between these two Fibonacci levels, and this is the current scenario. If it goes above, then we have a take profit at 428. If we again what would be the price analysis, what could be the price movement, that if we break above, the price is gonna move on to 428, and from there we would be rebouncing back here at this level again to 370, 380, and from there it's gonna move to above approximately 480 level. So 480 is on the cards, 428 is on the cards, but it only depends on this candle, this green candle. So it needs to close above this area. Right now it is, you see we have a lot of buyers, we have a lot of sellers as well on the both side, and this candle, this is a doji candle, and this is an indecision in the market right now, but with a good volume we can break above this area. So if you want to place your orders, you can place your orders around here. Let me show you with the help of EMAs as well. This is the 200 EMA and this is the 100 EMA. Okay, so price is gonna approach 380, 385, from there it can go back, but right now it has been tested. This area has been tested, and 100, if we once cross the 100 EMA, surely you see here there are three areas, guys. Just take a look at this one. We have three areas: 100 EMA, Fibonacci level, and the resistance level. So three areas. So these are the three strong areas we need to cross. Once we cross above 385, you see here 385 to 3, this area, we surely be testing 428. So this is the current price analysis of a BNB. Now you can place your orders accordingly. You can place your limit orders around in between the zone of 348 to 333, and 229, 299 or 300 is the support zone below this area. So guys, this was the price analysis of BNB. I might be wrong, but this is how I predict. I give you the analysis on the basis of my technical analysis, and from there you can understand what could be the price in the days to come. So that's it, guys. That was the price analysis of BNB. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.